Hi, my name is Zishan Freed and I'm your instructor in English language course which is initiated with the help of Kasmo Academy. Well, I've already mentioned that in this program we will more have a focus on speaking, and for this purpose your participation is very much important. But it's an obvious fact that if you want to learn a language you have to be with native speakers. But somehow we don't have native speaker available in our country, because in our countries we speak in other language. That is, our national language is different from the English. So that's why we have to opt some kind of course at some institution, academy, or develop an atmosphere of learning. So you're lucky enough to get admission here in this course by Kasmo Academy. We will focus each and every methodology which is opted at international level for the student of other languages. So I've already mentioned that we will discuss on a topic. In our earlier lesson we focused on the introduction. For 1 minute you have to record your message and you have to discuss the things with us. Today's topic is good morning. Good morning walk. You can say the morning walk is very much important for a healthier lifestyle. It is also necessary to have an aesthetic value of nature. We can have a very sound body and mind due to morning walk. In village areas, usually people go for a morning walk because they have daily affairs which are associated with morning. But in the lifestyle of big cities, the morning walk is some sort of an issue, because they don't have much space or places available for morning walk. But somehow we have available some national parks and the city parks where we can go for a morning walk. According to our research, morning walk is also very important, not only for physical function but also the brain. It gives energy to the brain, and for working the whole day. If you are working in office, you are a teacher, you're a student, morning walk is duly important for you. So you have to go for morning walk, as it is a phrase that early to bed and early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy, and wise. So same is the case when you go for morning walk. You have a timetable and a schedule. You daily wake up early in the morning, then you plan your morning walk. You go for some walking, some running, that give your body and your brain a refreshment. In order to refresh your brain and body, so morning walk is very much important. So dear student, I have discussed about something about the topic today, that is morning walk. So you have to record your message and you have to send us 1 minute without any break. I just want to tell you that don't fear for the mistakes of verbs, pronunciation, or fluency. You just need to speak for 1 minute. Slowly and gradually your mistake will be automatically corrected. So this was the first part of our today's lesson. The second part is ESP, English for Specific Purpose, in which we daily give you 5 new words which are maybe some of you may be familiar with them, but mostly people are not familiar with these words. So we give such words to you, and you have to make it in your diary. You have to allocate a new diary or register for this program, in which you will note down each and every proceeding of every lecture. So at the end you can revise your lecture through your own notebook or register. So please pen down the new words which I'm gonna give you. These words are also very important that you will use in your phrase, and after that we will use in our speaking practice as well. It will also help us in the writing practice as well. The first word is adverse. Adverse mean bad, negative. You can say the smoking have adverse effect on health. The second word is affable. A-F-F-A-B-L-E. Affable mean a person who is very friendly, cool, and amicable. You know, we have some buddies who are very cool, who meet everybody with very smiling face, so we can say that he's an affable person. For example, Akram is an affable boy. The third word is adulation. A-D-U-L-A-T-I-O-N. Adulation means admiration, extreme admiration or flirting. When you want to get some extra favor from some teacher and some your relative, you go for extra admiration. For example, if you want to give some extra prestige to anyone, you will go for adulation. The teacher was moved by the extreme adulation of the boys in the college. Then we have a word. The fourth word is agenda. A-G-E-N-D-A. Agenda mean the list of problem and solution. You might have heard about the agenda of the government, the agenda of the meeting, the agenda of the gathering. Agenda mean what we will discuss. If we have an official meeting somewhere, we can say that today's meeting agenda is to solve the problem in that point of view. Okay? So, what is the agenda of meeting today? Then we have a word, affinity. Affinity mean attachment, love or relationship. We have deep affinity with books. So these are the 5 words which you have to pen down and you have to learn. We will practice these words after some time. And after some time you will make the difference, because you will having some sort of bank of new vocab words. Then you can use and make a difference. So dear student, we have learned now 10 new words with 2 topics. You have to practice these topic and these words. And after that, we will have a discussion with our group. At the end of a month, we will have a test or some sort of a quiz of these proceeding in our lectures. You have to carefully pin down every proceeding of our lectures in your notebook or a separate register. It's not compulsory that you go for expensive diary. You can purchase some paper register from anywhere. I thank you all.